In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purchase a hosting plan on Hostinger while saving some money with a discount coupon. Whether you're setting up a new website for your business, creating a personal blog, or launching an online store, having a reliable host is crucial. Hostinger offers user-friendly, cost-effective hosting options that come highly recommended. Let's dive right into the steps, making sure you not only understand each part of the process, but also benefit from available discounts. First, we're going to visit Hostinger's website. You can easily access it from any web browser. Just type in Hostinger's URL and you'll be directed to their homepage. This is where you'll begin your hosting journey. Hostinger's site is designed to be intuitive and easy to navigate, so you'll find everything you need right at your fingertips. Once you're on the homepage, it's time to explore your hosting plan options. Hostinger offers a variety of plans tailored to different needs, so take a moment to browse through what they have. Whether you're looking for a simple shared hosting plan, cloud hosting, or something more advanced, there's a plan for every kind of website and budget. Carefully assess your needs and choose the plan that best fits your requirements. Paying attention to details like bandwidth, storage, and the number of websites you can host will help ensure you select the right plan. After you've chosen your hosting plan, you'll move on to the checkout process. This step is quite straightforward but significant. During the checkout, you'll have the chance to apply a discount code to your purchase. Discounts can lead to significant savings, especially if you're opting for a higher tier plan. To find a valid coupon code, a quick search online can reveal current codes. Look for reputable sites or forums where users share valid coupon codes for Hostinger. When you find one that looks promising, copy it so you're ready to use it at checkout. Now, let's focus on redeeming that discount. At the checkout page, you'll see an option to enter your coupon code. Simply paste the code you found into the designated field and apply it. The website will calculate your new total, reflecting the discount applied, so you can be sure you're getting a great deal on your hosting plan. Finally, to complete your purchase, follow the instructions on the checkout page, filling in your required details such as your name, email, and payment information. Once everything is correctly entered, hit the Complete Purchase button. Congratulations, you've now successfully purchased your Hostinger hosting plan with a discount. By following these steps, you're well on your way to setting up your online presence efficiently and affordably. Happy hosting, and see you in the next video.